welcome to one of my little engine videos. I've got three of my engines running here. I've got my Retrol Musa HM-01, my Okmo Retrol B01 and my Okmo M17. They're all open crank hit and miss engines. Here's the little M17, 1.5cc, beautiful little thing, runs beautifully. And next to that we've got my latest addition, which is the Okmo B01. It's a ball hopper engine modelled on the Baker monitor. And of course this is the engine that got me into all this, the beautiful 7.5cc HM-01, running very sweetly. Just look at the detail on the fuel tank of the monitor there. That's just lovely scale detail. Everything is so beautifully scaled. And here we have a look at the guts of the HM-01, and likewise the B01. We've both got mechanical ignitions, whereas the little M17 has a fully electronic ignition. And I'll just switch off the HM-01, which is the loudest of the three, and then we've got the tick 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 of the little M17 there. Running about exactly the same hit cycle speed as the B01, the pair of them are almost in sync, as you can hear there. B01 is just a little bit slower. And of course the B01 is the quietest of them all. Really, really quiet engine. Well, thanks very much for watching.